Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Durango RT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include engine, 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVT, STD, black leather suede bucket seats, tires, 265/50 R20 BSW SLRR, STD, full-size spare tire, quick order package 22S included, engine 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches high-gloss black aluminum, WHB, black top package included, wheels 20-inch x 8.0 high-gloss black aluminum, WHB, gloss black badges, gloss black exterior mirrors, white knuckle clear coat and transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, STD. Low mileage